Oh, who is it? Oh, it's Nico.
Fuck, don't kill me, bro.
Alright, good morning. It's 4 in the morning and we're going to Big Bear. I got Charlie, Brody, Josh, Nico in the back.
What's that?
That's right. So this is our selection of breakfast. We got donuts, chips, cantaloupe, Uncrustables, donuts, Cheetos. Yum. Okay, so we just got stopped in traffic. Everyone's awing, but look.
Bro, they're gonna need like a whole crew and shit for that.
Yeah, bro. That big truck over there went sideways.
I think someone's directing traffic though.
Yeah, I think they are.
So this whole line is waiting to go.
Completely sideways.
Yeah, look, they're toasting on their
Oh, fuck. That little car just slid.
Is that a Subaru too?
That's a Subaru.
That's a nice Subi.
No.
Oh shit.
Not the Subi.
It slid and hit the top of the truck.
It didn't look like a Subi while it was sliding, but now it does.
Yeah.
Definitely a Subi. Stressful times.
Low-key stressful, bro. I'm gonna fucking stop.
Keep going. Fucking going. Don't let him stop forward. We're trying to hit the slope. Oh, he's sliding.
No, he's not. They're pulling him.
What's my bitches just sitting in here watching this? Good looking.
Hey, good job, bro.
Hey, good Samaritan, bro. Oh yeah.
You guys' truck did nothing.
We hit that fool.
Go, keep going.
We hit that guy's
You
standard.
guys' truck did nothing. Get that right.
You ready?
Hell yeah. Freaking
Oh, I got the
Big
plug.
Bear. What's the date today? The 19th, clearing up. It's gonna be sick.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Yeah.
Okay, we're all here right now. Got our boards all set up. Putting on our boots. Nico. Brody. Let's do it. What up, guys? So we're on the top of the mountain. My GoPro is dead. But anyway, I'm gonna head down soon. But check out this view. Freaking rad. Okay, see you guys. Okay, sadly my phone is about to die. My GoPro's dead, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll try to figure something out, guys. Anyway, I'll see you later. Okay guys, I'm just gonna let you all know everything is dead except for my camera, but I'm not gonna bring that up on the slope. So I feel really bad because like I'm not getting as much material as I want for the vlog. But real quick, I wanted to show you something cool. Look at all these icicles on these cars. Guys, it's like a wizard wand. Expelliarmus! Oh, that was not a good idea. Ah, cold, 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 cold. But anyway, today's been pretty fun, and actually I got like pretty good at snowboarding. But I wish I could get more material for you. I'm actually going to be getting a new drone soon. And I'm sorry that I'm acting weird, but my face is literally frozen. And it's freezing out here. But I'll see you guys probably soon, because I'm going to try to record as much as I can to get the vlog back up. It's been a month since I posted a vlog. Also, gummy bears are really good. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna let you know, I charged my phone and it was at 80%, so I took it out on the mountain, and then like within 10 minutes, it went to 10%. So sadly, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get a bunch of footage today, but I'm gonna try to, next time I go, I'm gonna be more prepared, definitely more prepared. But yeah guys, I'm sorry, it kind of stinks. I thought I lost the key, which is good that I didn't, because if I lost the key, we would be like really screwed. But also, if you don't know, Dana and Skylar said they were here. I was looking for them, but I couldn't find them, so that stinks. But other than that, today's been pretty good. I'm waiting in the car right now because we lost our whole group. Me and Nico did, and Nico's gonna go snowboard right now, and then I'm waiting at the car because I want to make sure like if everyone meets up here, they can get in the car because I'm the only one with the key. Oh God. Anyway, I will see you guys soon. We're probably gonna get food once we leave, and we're gonna be leaving around 3, I think. So I'll see you guys in a bit. By the way, I completely suck at snowboarding. Like, I've eaten so much crap. My leg hurts because I like strained it. My arms hurt. My hands really hurt, and my wrists because I keep like falling and landing on them. But like, I'm not bad. I'm just, there's some things where like when I'm spinning, I don't know how to like spin right, and I overcompensate and I just fall on my face. But anyway guys, yeah, I'm not bad. I really wish I could show you more footage, but I can't, so whatever. But yeah, it's super snowy right now. You can see it's freezing cold outside. Actually, just holding my my like Gorilla Pod. Actually, like just holding my Gorilla Pod like makes me super like cold, because the Gorilla Pod is like metal, plastic-ish, and it's freezing, and my camera is really cold too. I'm surprised my camera hasn't died, because all my electronics have died. My GoPro, my phone. Why is my camera not? I don't know, maybe my camera's pretty awesome, but it's whatever. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so everyone's here. We're about to leave, and I saw these two cars hit each other. It's pretty crazy. Brody's driving, navigating.
We already know.
We already know. But we're gonna go get gas and then try to not crash. And then McDonald's. So yeah, I don't know if I told you, but Ray just broke his arm or fractured it really bad. We don't know, it's either one, but right now we're getting food at McDonald's, and we're probably gonna be heading out as soon as possible. I look like a hobo, but anyways, once we get our food we'll go, so I'll see you in a bit.